everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Yancy and today we have $25 to play with Freebie Friday. Let's go ahead and count. All right, we have $25. You guys, I just woke up. I went back to sleep. Oh my gosh. I am tired, you guys. But before we go ahead and get started, let's roll dice for our community saving challenge. And we're doing Friday and Saturday combined together. So let's see what we are adding. Okay, so we are adding $3 for today. Nice. Not bad. All right, let's see what we're adding for tomorrow. $1. So we are adding $4. Okay, I take it. $4. So let me go ahead and get $4, shall we? We have $2 here. I need 2 more. So here is the other 2, so that's $4. Let me go ahead and add that bad boy in here. As long as we save $100 for this month, I am okay with that. I think that's a good amount. All right, so $4 going in here. We already have 20, so that's amazing. All right, let's go ahead and get started, shall we? So we have $25 that we are playing with. Excited. There is a few new challenges. I am sure you guys saw it for Freaky Wednesday. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Let's get those bad boys out and we can see what we get to do today. All right, first thing first, you guys, this one is mine. I am so close on finishing, but yet so far away. This one we are definitely very close on finishing as well. This cutie, we only need $3 on that one and we will be done. Then we have started this new one here that we need $6, but yet we are far away. This cutie patootie over here, we're a little bit far away. This one I just started and I made each little strawberry $1. And last but not least is this cutie right here. Look at that. It's the cute little rainbow. And I am only going to do 3 rows. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, simple. Get it going. Okay. So not too bad. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get started, shall we? Like I said, column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we go. Who's gonna get the first 5? Ooh, number 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so you know what? I'm added to this one because this one we will overdo it. Oh, again, look at that. All right, nice. 3, awesome. 4. Okay, everyone got a little bit of love, so that's amazing. Yay, I think we have completed that one. Oh my goodness. All right, 4. Nice. 5. Oh my gosh, you guys. What's going on? 2. Okay, 5 and 2 definitely took all of the money. All right, we have $1 more. Number 5. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh my goodness. That was quick. Y'all saw that? That was quick. Okay, I'm gonna do this cutie first because we only need 3 and we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, $7. Oh my gosh, you guys, we have completed this one though. I will say I am so pumped and excited. All right, so X out that one. All right, let's see how much we are saving. I actually don't even know since I made it all $1, but one of those bunny I made it $2. So here's that 3. Let's count, y'all. 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, $33. Oh my gosh. You guys, that's amazing. $33. Okay, let me add $33 into our bag. Yes. Okay. Woohoo. Second one. Nice. Awesome. Here's the next one. This cutie patootie here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, this one got $5. Oh my gosh. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. $12, y'all. I think we probably completed this. I could be wrong. Okay, let me see. So let me go ahead and just do this little cute little dots, like the little C. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You guys, oh my goodness. Let me go ahead and do the dots and then I'll be right back. Okay, that took a little bit than I thought. So $12, you guys. And you know what? We're gonna add $2 from that challenge we completed. So you know what? You only live once. YOLO. It's okay. We're going to go ahead and do the other two. Okay, the dots or the little C's are not exactly color perfectly. I'm just going where I think I see a dot, and it's okay. Oh my gosh. So we have completed this one as well. Let's see how much this one saved me. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. $16, you guys. Ah, that's amazing. $16. Oh my goodness. And we have this one for the next one. Oh my gosh. Okay. I even forgot to count. Not even count, but I forgot to write down how much we saved on the other one. I so forgot. It was like 20 some dollars though. I just don't remember exactly. Do you guys remember how much it was? I don't remember. It was 20 something. It's okay. Does not matter. Eventually we will count it too. So it's all good. All right. Let's move on. So this cutie, we need 6 and we only have $1. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Oh my gosh. Yes, we get to move on. Finally. Awesome. Okay, guys, we get to move on that one. So that's amazing. Now let's go ahead and scratch off another one. I'm like looking for my little scratcher and it's like in front of my face. All right, guys, we need $8 for us to be able to move on to the next one. Okay, so $8, not too bad, not too bad. All right, here we go. This one only got $1, you guys, and we need $5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we had that $2 left from the other challenge. So why not? Let's use it. Why not? All right, we need 2 more to complete this one. So that's amazing. Awesome sauce. Love it. We're almost done, guys. We're almost done. And I have 2 unboxings to do. We got $2 and there's $1 left over. So we need 3 more to be able to move on this one. So unfortunately, we won't be able to do anything. One of the box, I've had it for a week now. And I just haven't had the time to do it. $2 every time I'm like, I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna do it, and I never do, you guys. All right, $4, and we need 1 more to be able to move on to the next one. So that is my Freebie Friday. I hope you enjoy. Now let's go ahead and do the unboxing. You guys, if you know I love purple, and I got the cottage in purple from Chloe, which is crafted by Coco, And she actually told me I was the first person to place an order. If for some odd reason, I was like, watch me be the first person. Like, I don't know. I don't know why I felt like I was. And I was so excited when she said I was. I was like, oh my gosh. So let me go ahead and unbox it with you guys. Last time I checked her website, both of the items are available. So the pink and the purple, because she restocked the pink. And then this is the purple that is new in her site. So if you want it, you can get it. So basically what this is for you to put your paper clips, which I am so pumped and excited. If y'all could see the other one, is literally right there. And I made a suggestion because if you know, I love my big paper clips. For those that follow me, you guys know I like to create big paper clips. And so my paper clips are heavy. For those that know, they are heavy. And so I asked her, or I should say I suggested her something, and she said, ooh, let me look into it. And I said, say less. All right, let me just show you real quick how I have the other one. Okay, so here is the pink one. This is how I have the pink one. It's just so cute and adorable. Oh my gosh, I love it. I'm obsessed, y'all. And this is not other paper clips I have. Of course, I have paper clips in my binder on top of the rest paper clips that I have in my little box, but I needed this one. So this is the cute little freebie. Look at the butterfly. Oh my gosh. So this is a cute challenge, and that butterfly little freebie, I love it. She always gives out a freebie challenge, and 90% of the time when she does like a new drop lunch, she sends out a cute little freebie on the paper clip, which I think is so cool and awesome. I love and I'm obsessed. Look at the cute little butterfly. Love it. And then it says here, butterflies $5 each, total saving is $30. So each butterfly is $30. That's amazing. That's a cute challenge. And then here's the other challenge. Okay, so each butterfly, it's $10 on this challenge here. This is just so cute and how aesthetic. And then this is her thank you card, which she said she wanted to be like a dashboard also, but this is her cute little card. So it says, dear Yancy, thank you so much for shopping with us. And then her little like thank you. I shared the code. Well, it's okay, y'all can use the code. It's all right, I guess. I don't know. Don't use the code. Okay, here we go. Happy Mail from your pack to your, or from our pack to yours. I love her huskies. Her huskies are so freaking cute. All right, guys, so here it is in its glory. I'm obsessed already and I haven't seen it. All right, here we go, guys. Look at it. So stinking cute. It's tiny. When you receive it, you'll be like, oh my gosh. But it's so worth getting it. Trust me. Oh my gosh. Girls, look at that. Look at this cutie patootie. Hold on. Okay. So it says, rest your paperclip here where they're off duty. Coco keeps them cozy until next planner debut. So, oh my gosh, you guys. Tell me I'm obsessed without telling me I'm obsessed. Look at this, okay? My favorite color, first of all. Okay, look how cute. Oh my goodness, I am obsessed. Like, if obsessed was a word, this is the word, okay? How freaking cute is that, you guys? Oh, oops. Instead of taking a picture, I cut you guys off. Sorry. But look how cute. I cannot wait to add more clips to this cutie. And it matches perfectly with my tray. Like, literally, it's just maybe a shade lighter. I don't know, but I'm so pumped and excited. Beautiful. Love it. This tray will be available next month, just in case anybody wants it. So, yeah. So, there is that. Oh, my gosh. I'm so happy. Thank you, Coco. Cannot wait. Now, for what I've been waiting. Oh my gosh. I mean, I was waiting for Crafted by Coco too, but it took me a minute to open. Every time I will say, oh, I'm gonna open. I never did, and I will forget, you guys. And I'll be like, oh, next time. And finally, today's the day. This cutie patootie, I have been waiting for the longest. It was on the website for maybe 2 weeks or so. And I never pulled the trigger until the day of my day off this past Monday. I told myself, you know what? Let me get it. Because I had an outfit that just went well with what I was wearing. And I said, you know what? Screw it. Let me get it. So here is the cutie patootie in its all its glory. It's a mystery. It's so freaking cute. Like, oh my gosh. Like, I'm obsessed. Okay. So this is a cutie patootie that is crafted. So it's only whatever amount they make. And this one, when they popped out on the website, because they release new items every so often. And they only had one because it said one. Because I'm always refreshing their website. And they had one. And I'm like, oh, I need it. And I was like, but the money is a little high. Like, the prices are a little bit high. But what I love is that it's one of a kind. And I love things like that. I love different things that not everyone's going to have. And I went in and I pulled the trigger, you guys, after 2 weeks being the website, which I was so shocked. I was like, what? Why? And I pulled the trigger and I bought it. And I said, you know what? Screw it. I only live once. And I ain't gonna die without me wanting things, okay? I'm not going down without wanting what I want, okay? So that's not an excuse, but like literally, I'm like, I enjoy myself. I need to enjoy myself. I treat myself, so yeah. So are y'all ready? I've talked about this cutie for a while. And one of my coworkers said if it's there for next Friday, it's definitely meant to be. Y'all, I didn't buy it until like late Monday, which was like 2 weeks and like almost 3 days after it was lunch. So here it is. Oh my gosh. My heart is pumping. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, so look at the cute little bag charm. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. So freaking cute. So this here is basically bags that they are crafted. Like, you know how you can trade in your bags and you can craft it? So that's what this is. I'm obsessed. So it peels off, just so you know, that peels off. And then where you put the bag here, the clip, it also peels off. So this is something natural that just happens in general to almost every bag. So that doesn't bother me. That is okay. I have this cutie in a purple. And when I saw this one, I was like, I need to have it. And so it just brings you, like with the Coach Relove upcrafted little note. If they want to, they can write on it. And look, they wrote on this one. So it says Pillow Tabby 18 Rose Oliva. So that's the designer or the person that made it. Or not. Remigish. I don't know. Rose Oliva. I don't know. Is that the person that turned this bag in? I don't know. So just kidding. The person that crafted this is Ella. And then that other person, I don't know. So it says, wear it, love it, pass it on, whatever. And then, yeah. So, I don't know. I don't really know much about this, but I just know that I love my bag. That's it. That's all that matters. So, let me show you the other one that I have here. It's basically the same size. It's just in this purple. Look at it. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy. Collection completed on this one. They have a green one. I'm like, no, I'm not a green person, but I low-key like it too. But anyways, that's not what we're here for. But look at it. I finally pulled the trigger, you guys. Love it. Obsessed. So yeah. Okay, guys. I had to share with you guys that. All right. Thank you. I see you guys on the next one. Have a great weekend. Have a great Friday. Have a great Saturday. See you back again Sunday. Adios. Peace. Bye.